let us see these questions on logarithm inequalities. These are the final questions of logarithm inequalities. These are the last final questions of logarithm inequalities. After this, we are going to start characteristic and mantissa. Like these questions are very interesting for JEE mains. Like other competitive exams, like finding the number of digits in 2 to the power of 40. How many digits will come? How many digits will be there? Like 2 to the power of 2040. How many digits will come? These are all depends on the logarithm characteristics and mantissa. Based on that, we will solve many questions. That will be our last lectures. So let us see here inequalities. These are the questions. This we will solve it. Then you can solve any books. Let us see here. Now this question is log x minus 1 with base 3 less than log x minus 1 base 0.009. Then what is the value of x? That is the question. Now what you have to do here, you need to see for solving this inequality the base should be same. But here the base is this side 0.3 and this side is 0.009. So first condition to be here, and yesterday some of the students asking these things. Why you applied greater than that? Simple thing I am telling you. Log definition is log n log a to the base b is equal to n. This is a logarithm. What is the condition for logarithm? This should be greater than 0. This should be greater than 0. This should not equal to 1. This is the number one condition of log. By default, this is the definition of the logarithm. So that should be satisfied. So that is the reason we have solved so many questions based on that. Let's see here this question how to solve. Here I am going to write this one as log x minus 1. This is 0.3 less than, I can write as log x minus 1. This 0.09 can I write as 0.3 whole square. Correct? And as we have a formula, 2 you can send this side. Right? We have, what is the formula we have? Log a b power m is equal to 1 by m log a to the base b. We have this formula. So according to this formula, this 2 can be sent here. So what I am going to get here, log x minus 1 with the base 0.3 less than 1 by 2 log x minus 1 to the point 0.3 base. Hope you understand now what I have done. Right. See here, these both are now same. So send this is this side. What I am going to get here, if I send that is here, this right side when I am sending this side, what I am going to get here, log x minus 1 with base 0.3 minus half log x minus 1 0.3. That is what I am going to get it. Correct? Now this if you simplify, this is 1, this is minus 1 by 2. 1 minus half is how much? These both are same, right? So I am going to get less than 0. Here 1 minus half is how much? Half. So this is going to get half x log x minus 1 to the base 0.3. Hope you understand. I took this log x minus 1 with base 0.3 common. So 1 minus half, that is half. So is less than 0 you got. Like what I am going to do here, 1 by 2 I send that side. That is 1 by 2 into 0 into 1 by 2 into 0 is 0. So what I am getting here, log x minus 1 0.3 is less than 0. Now according to the rule, here 0.3 can be written. What to do here? If I convert it into logarithm form, this is 0.3. So when 0.3 is there, when I apply the log condition, what I am going to get here, logarithm inequality changes. That means x minus 1 is equal to this less than will become greater than. I am applying exponential form. I am converting in this log as into the exponential form. So this is 0.3. So this inequality changes. That is greater than, it becomes greater than x minus 1 greater than 0.3 to the power of 0. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. 0.3 to the power of 0. That is x minus 1 greater than 1. So x is greater than 2. What is the answer? X greater than 2. That is 2 option A is the right answer. Hope you understand now.